Hello, hope you're all well. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of origami, and this is a little exercise where it's a repeat pattern to help you with your reverse folds. These are a very common fold that you use a lot in origami, and this is a very mindful exercise, and hopefully we'll get to the end of it together. So here we go. What you'll need is an A4 sheet of paper. I've chosen to use a coloured piece, but white works absolutely fine. And I'll also be using a pair of scissors at one point, but again, that is optional as well. So let's start by folding our paper in half, taking the corners to the corners, and when they are lined up, pressing down hard to get a crease. Open, and then half again. There we go. One more time. So now we're going to take these 4 sections that we've folded and then fold each section again, so we've got 8. Take your time, this is meant to be a relaxing exercise. Make sure all your creases are nice and neat. Line them up and make sure you're happy with them before applying too much pressure. There we have it. 8 sections. We just want to fold this one back on itself so that it's a fan. I'll show you that. There you go. Collapse it down, and then we want to fold this corner down to here, giving you a nice triangle at the very end. This is a very important step now. The next bit we're doing is going to be giving you the blueprint for the fold creases that will help you fold the paper in the next step. So let's fold it the other way as well, because we want this crease to be very strong so we can see it in the next step. Okay. Take this small triangle that we folded in one hand, and then this long end, I want to be bringing it down like so. As I said, let's fold this in both directions so we have a nice strong crease. Then we work the same pattern all the way down the paper till we get to the end. And each time folding it in both directions. One more time. At this point now, I'm gonna get some scissors to remove this last little rectangle. This is optional. You don't have to, but it does finish the pattern off much neater if you do. Let's open it up. And there we go. So, something that looks like this. make it back into a fan. So in origami we've got mountain folds, which are the peaks that come up, and valley folds, which are the ones that go down. We're going to take these points and this is your very first reverse fold. So reverse that all the way along the top row, folding it back in as you're doing it, like so. There we go. And then open it back up. Now, like I was saying a minute ago about the mountain and the valley folds, the next step now is to push the mountain fold down at this point here, and then bring the valley fold up into a mountain fold to the other point that we've made previously, and then repeat that all the way along, using your fingers just gently to manipulate the paper to go into the shape that the crease makes. I'm using my other hand to hold the bottom and bunch it back up into a fan shape. There we go. At the end of each row, you'll be able to fold it flat onto itself, like that. And then repeat this process until you get to the bottom of the page. So the valley folds become mountains and the mountains become valleys. And I'm just manipulating the paper very gently so it goes into the pre-creased shape that we've got in the paper. This type of thing is so relaxing and so satisfying when you do it. I love the way it just folds down into a lovely neat pattern each time. Okay, this is one but last. Let's push that one down. You can see now why we wanted those creases, why we are so strong. And there we have it. A very fun and relaxing and satisfying piece of origami. I think that just looks wonderful. If you do this and you want to make it slightly harder for yourself, at the beginning when we had the paper in front of us, landscape, if you turned it over and then started folding it in half this way, that will then give you this. Give it a try. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.